You post videos. You wait. Nothing happens. Views stay low. Growth stops. You start to wonder, is your content bad? Is YouTube unfair? Or is something else going on behind the scenes? What if the real problem is not your content, but what you do not understand? Many creators think the YouTube algorithm is a mystery. It is not magic. It is a system with clear goals. It wants people to stay longer on the platform. That is its main job. If your videos do not help with that goal, YouTube will not push them. Most people focus on views. That is a mistake. The algorithm does not care about views first. It cares about click-through rate and watch time. Click-through rate means how many people click your video when they see it. If your title and thumbnail are weak, people will not click. No clicks means no growth. Watch time means how long people stay on your video. If viewers leave early, YouTube sees your content as low value. It will stop showing your video. This is where ignorance hurts you. If you do not study these metrics, you're guessing. You may post often, but nothing improves. You repeat the same mistakes. You might blame the algorithm, but the truth is simple. You are not giving it what it needs. Another problem is audience mismatch. If the wrong people click your video, they will leave fast. This lowers your retention. Then your video dies. Consistency also matters, not just in posting, but in topic and style. If your channel is confusing, YouTube cannot understand who to show your content to. So what happens if you stay ignorant? Your channel will stall. Your videos will get fewer impressions. Growth will slow down. Over time, your motivation will drop. Some creators quit here, not because they lack talent, but because they lack understanding. The solution is simple. Study your data. Improve your titles and thumbnails. Keep viewers watching longer. Stay clear with your content focus. If you ignore how the system works, your channel will always struggle. But once you understand it, growth stops being luck. It becomes a skill you can control.
Simply click the link below to learn more.